Morning everybody. Today I decided not to bring the skull of Billy Bones into this video. And this time I decided to put my glasses on while recording. Today we are doing issue 14 of Billy Bones. It's from How Your Body Works. Billy is saying, "Where's my digestive system? I can't stomach this." Turning food into fuel. The digestive system is a long and large tube that the food we eat passes through. It turns food into the nutrients we need to live. For your body to grow and stay strong and healthy, you need to eat. A car engine needs petrol to work, and your body needs energy and nutrients from food you eat every day to grow. Think and move. But what happens to food once you eat it? Where does it go? It seems incredible that so many different things, perhaps a chicken drumstick, an apple, or a plate of spaghetti with tomato sauce, became what helps form your muscles and your bones. It is your digestion that makes it happen. Imagine a large factory in your body, but a factory that takes objects apart to make them smaller rather than building objects to make them bigger. Your digestion is a production line that takes apart the drumstick, apple, and spaghetti you eat. What you end up with are microscopic nutrients, the smallest parts of food, that provide energy to each of your cells. Get ready for a long but exciting journey through your digestive system. Chewing. Bite-sized pieces of your food go into your mouth. Your teeth break them down into small pieces that travel down the tube. Digestion. Your stomach breaks down the food you swallow using special acid juices. Food passes down through the gut and is taken apart as it goes through your body. Expelling. The remains of food that your body does not need are sent out through the anus. Your food's long journey. The food you eat travels an incredible 9 meters from your mouth to your bottom. Follow your food's journey through your body to discover what happens to it. Breaking down food. When you eat and drink, you start an amazing process. At the end of it, the results of what you eat go into even smallest of your cells. The bits of what you eat that your body cannot use are sent out of your body. Inside your body, the digestive system breaks down your food to give your body exactly what it needs. Starting at the mouth and ending at anus. Food travels along the digestive tract tube. The food is crushed, shredded, and attacked by corrosive acids and juices loaded with products that make it to nutrients that your body can use. With the help of the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas, Food is broken down in your stomach, the end of the process in the small intestine. Nutrients cross the gut wall and enter the blood, and that blood goes through your entire body. Whatever is left of the food after this journey is what your body cannot use. It is proceed and packed in the large intestine to leave in the form of excrement. This is what poo is. Ugh. Mouth. Your mouth is the door to the digestive system. The mouth food is made wet by saliva. Your spit. Ugh. And you chew the food with your teeth so it is small enough to be swallowed. Liver. Your liver is the largest organ inside your body. It has two jobs in digestion. It makes bile, which your body needs to digest fats, and it cleans out the toxins from the blood that carries nutrients from the small intestine. Which is on that part of the page. And there's the large bit. Let's get back to this. Pancreas. Seen next to the stomach, the pancreas makes pancreatic juices, which help to neutralize stomach acid to protect your body from its effects. Asphyxis. This muscular tube connects the mouth to the stomach. It pushes the chewed and wet food to the stomach by squeezing it downwards. Stomach. At the end of the asphyxis, the tube widens into your stomach, where the food begins to be processed. The stomach also stores digested food and drink for a while. Small intestine. This is the longest part of the digestive tract. It absorbs nutrients from your food. The part nearest the stomach is called the duodenum. Large intestine. At the end of the small intestine, the tube becomes larger again. It makes faces, poos, which are made from food, the food that can be digested in some bacteria. Whoa! That is a long travel. But guess what? It's even longer than that. I read it a few minutes ago that it's 9 meters or miles. I can't remember. 9 meters under the microscope. Your digestive tract is straight in some parts and twisted in others. Different sections of the pipe do different jobs to the food. The walls of the digestive tract are covered with different kinds of mucus to protect the walls. Their different jobs. Where is my mucous membrane when I need it? Acids have eaten my whole stomach. Ouch. Billy Bones, you're funny. Yes, it might not be all that. Oh, is that true? But he just said on this page, I keep eating tomatoes, but I'm still hungry. I wonder why. See why? They keep falling out from his body because he doesn't have the stuff we have. Because he's just a skeleton. Traveling through your body. Have you ever thought about what happens to the food as it goes through your digestive system? Take a look at how it changes from when it first enters your mouth until it leaves your body as poo. Ew! Now let's get to the next page. That one is done. Ooh! How your body uses energy. How does your body grow? What makes you run, play, or sleep? What keeps you heart breathing, your lungs breathing, your brain working, and your body at the right temperature? The answer is energy. And all the energy you need comes from the nutrients your digestive system gets from food you eat. My mum says I'm the hungriest person in the world. That's because I always eat. Except for when I'm doing videos. Isn't it amazing how fast your body grows? In just a few years, humans change from being a tiny group of cells in the womb that are too tiny to see to a fully working body for its organs. It is the nutrients contained in foods, proteins, sugars, fats, minerals, and water that are the bricks and fuel that your body uses to build structures, tissues, organs, and systems. From when you're around 20, your body grows much more slowly and eventually stops growing, but your body will always need energy and materials containing nutrients to keep its cells, tissues, and organs working. Energy for living. Oh. All your daily activities such as sleep, walking, working and playing also need energy. How much energy your body uses depends on your weight, height, age, sex, and of course what you're doing. But even being asleep in bed uses up energy. Strange as it may seem, take a look at the different activities below and how much energy each one uses. Yogurt gives you the energy you need to sleep for an hour. $100 of prawns gives you enough energy to study for an hour. Eating 2 eggs means you can go bowling for an hour. A big ham sandwich gives you enough energy to climb a mountain. 150 grams of nuts gives you energy to run up lots of stairs. Now that's a lot of energy. I think I have more energy than that. All I eat is apples and fruit. And veggies. And meat and stuff. podcast and eat well to stay healthy. Types of food. The nutrients in food can be grouped into carbohydrates or sugars, fats, proteins, water, and mineral salts. These nutrients mean your body can grow and work, have energy, and build up reserves. Carbohydrates basically give you the energy you need to carry out daily activities. Fats and nutrients that can be stored for energy reserves. Proteins work and build many elements of cells. Around 70% of your body is water, so you need to drink plenty each day to make up for the water you lose in urine, feces, and sweat. Mineral salts are substances such as calcium, iron, potassium, sodium, iodine, and sulfur, which your body needs in small amounts for some particle tissues, such as iron for your blood and calcium for your bones. Your body needs lots of good food to stay healthy, but what should you eat to get exactly what your body needs? Cereals, pasta, and rice. Carbohydrates found in cereals, pasta, beans, and rice are what give you the energy to jump, play, or run. People should eat carbs every day. They are good to have at breakfast. Fruit and vegetables. Everyone should eat 5 portions of fruit and vegetables each day. They are carbohydrates and give you nourishing minerals, salts, and vitamins. Try to eat salads and raw vegetables because they are full of vitamins. Getting too fat. Your body stores energy as fat. Body fat also protects your internal organs and helps you feel warm in the cold. Everyone needs body fat. If you eat more food than your body uses, the energy your body creates more fat. This can change the shape of your body and make you overweight or even obese, which means very overweight. An unbalanced diet, together with not doing enough exercise, will eventually make a person overweight. The main type of cell forms body fat, adipose tissues, is called the adipocyte. It is around and a large drop of fat. Slowly occupies almost the entire middle of the cell. Meat, eggs, and fish. These are fats and animal proteins everyone should eat. Protein, animal or non-animal, every day. Fats, oil. Everybody needs fats such as oils, butter, margarine, but only a small amount as they can make you overweight. Milk, cheese, yogurt. Dairy products are rich in protein and calcium, a mineral essential for growth. It is good to drink milk every day. Longest digestion. It is incredible enough that we have 7 meters of small intestine inside our body. Some animals have much longer intestines and take a long time to digest their food. Herbivores win the record. The animals with the longest digestive tract that take the longest time to digest their food are most likely to be herbivores. This is because herbivorous plants they eat are quite difficult to digest. Next come omnivores. They eat everything. And finally the carnivores, meat eaters. But meat proteins are much easier to digest, so carnivores do not need such a long or complex digestive tract. Dogon, class, mammal, size and weight 3 meters and 200 kilos. Length of digestive system 48 meters. Time for digestion 6 to 7 days. Record length 50 meters. And that is a cow. Class mammal, size and average weight 2.5 and 500 to 80 kilos. Length of digestive system 50 meters. Longer than the one of a dogon. Time for digestion 3 to 4 days. Ha! Cow wins. Well, wins the longest digestion system, but not the longest time to use it. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. Goodbye and hit subscribe. And press the notification bell after hitting the subscribe button. Bye.